In this video, you'll see how to monitor Windows crashes on your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2 instances, by using CloudWatch Log Insights to query log information, define metric filters, and visualize metrics. Before you can monitor Windows crashes using CloudWatch, you'll need to first ensure system log data from the desired Windows instances is being collected. To get started, from the AWS Management Console, navigate to the EC2 dashboard to view the running instances. Here, you can see 3 running Windows EC2 instances. In this case, the instances have already been configured with the CloudWatch agent. Let's navigate to the Parameter Store to see the configuration details. These are the settings that were used to configure the CloudWatch agent. As you can see, CloudWatch is collecting system event logs from the EC2 instances and storing them in a log group called Windows System Logs. Let's navigate to CloudWatch Logs to look at this log group. Each of the EC2 instances has its own log stream in the log group. Let's quickly look at one of the log streams. Here, you can see the Windows system events being collected in this log stream. Now let's return to the running EC2 instances. In order to generate some data we can use for CloudWatch Logs Insights, let's connect to one of these instances and use a utility to deliberately crash the instance. Let's get a screenshot of the instance to verify the system crash. As you can see, the PC ran into a problem, and Windows is in the process of collecting the error information and restarting the instance. Once it has restarted, we can connect to the instance again. Let's document the reason for the crash in the Shutdown Event Tracker. Next, let's take a look at this crash in the Windows Event Viewer. First, navigate to the system log. There are a lot of events in this log, so let's filter it to just the event ID for crashes. Now, just the one crash event is listed. This Details tab shows the crash information that is being logged in CloudWatch. Let's return to CloudWatch to review the crash information. You can use CloudWatch Logs Insights to quickly search and analyze log data using simple but powerful queries. In this case, let's select the Windows System Logs group and write a query to retrieve information on Windows crashes. Notice we're filtering this query using the event ID for crashes. Now, let's run the query. Here, you can see 4 different Windows crash events, as well as details on the originating log stream and the crash type. As an alternative to writing queries, you can define metric filters to monitor events in a log group as they are sent to CloudWatch Logs. For instance, you can use the event ID for crashes as the filter pattern. Provide a name for this metric, and then create the filter. Now let's review results for this metric. This graph shows all the Windows crashes that occurred in the last 3 hours on the EC2 instances. You can quickly add this type of visualization to a dashboard to make events easy to monitor. Let's add it to a new dashboard. Now you can monitor Windows crash events in near real time, along with other operational metrics that are important to you. You've just seen how to monitor Windows crashes on your Amazon EC2 instances by using CloudWatch Log Insights to query log information, define metric filters, and visualize metrics. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.